Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome to the Cat Scrappiness YouTube channel. Here are the products I'm going to be using today. We have the coffee Quokka, some farmhouse sentiments, and some rectangle dies. And I'm going to be stamping one of these cute coffee Quokkas on white cardstock. This is a new image, so I rubbed my fingers on it just to get a better impression, and I'm just going to be stamping it with black ink. And I hope to clean my Misty today, my stamping platform, so sorry about that. Filling my Copic markers and cleaning my stamping platform is probably the least thing I like to do, so but I will do that. So stamping him again for a better impression, and then I am going to be coloring him in. This is some white cardstock, 110 pound, and those are the Copics that I am using for today. Some cool grays to color this Quokka gray. I believe the last time I colored Quokkas, they were brown, and so I wanted a little bit of a change. You can color him any color. I hope to see a real Quokka in real life one day. I did see a picture that a crafter had showed me, and I think it looked gray, so hopefully I'm doing okay coloring him in with my grays. And just really simply, and I'm just using a dark marker with some lighter grays. I didn't want him too dark, so just filling him in, and he is really cute and simple, and I love the coffee mug. I get excited with critters in a coffee mug, so it was due for me to use this stamp set. There is also a coordinating die set that I will link down below for you. I do not own it, but it is on my wish list. And so I am just going to be finishing up his body. And some of the sentiments are really cute too from this stamp set. And if you haven't checked out the Quokkas, the Quokka line at Cat Scrappiness, please check it out because it's a lot of cuteness there. I always like the crafting Quokkas; those are so cute. And there's like summer Quokkas, and yeah, so many. And I have a few on my wish list. And then what I don't show is I do color the cheeks and the ears in R11, and then I also later color in his coffee cup to match. So I do use the R11 for the coffee cup, and for the coffee I do use E35. And then I'm just adding some white gel accents with my Jelly Roll pen, and then I will be fussy cutting him out, which was really easy to do. I do have my brother scan and cut, but for one image I didn't really want to deal with it. So just cutting him out. I was comfortable crafting sitting here, and my scan and cut is around the corner. So cute. And so here is the Glitter Galore paper pad, which I love. Look at all those pretty glitter papers, and no fuss with it. And so I'm just going to pick a pink to go with my card, and I'm also going to use the Love Doodles black 6x6 paper pad, as well as the Stitched Fancy scallop circle. I'm using this size here, which is I believe third to the largest, second, however you want to say it. And then I have some A2 sleeves in my stash, and so I'm going to use my tape runner, but Cat Scrappiness has so many shaker components. There's some sleeves in A2 mini slimline. There is other shakers that you can use, so really fun, and there is so many embellishments, so just have fun when you make your shaker card, because that's exactly what I did today. I had fun making this card, and I chose some dots and tinsel, and I started out with 3 packs here, and then I add more. So these dots are the carnation pink, and I'm just using my embellishment triangle embellishment trays. I have my pink one and my white one there, and there's also black and blue, I believe. So I'm just using my spoon to put a little bit of each, but then I end up adding more. And why not add more, right? Shaker cards are fun, and it's always fun to send them out as well. And I got some on my desk there, but no worries, none fell on the floor, which I was happy. And I'm just going to be checking how much to add. I'm also using dots in dark chocolate, and I'm also going to be using some tinsel in baby pink and in onyx black. So, and I believe I will show those coming up, and just shaking around, mixing everything up. Here is that baby pink tinsel, which I love. I just love the sound of that too. If you squeeze them in the pack, it's fun. Probably like a stress ball, I guess. Maybe like makes you feel happy and better. But I don't recommend you squeezing all your packs. So just adding a little bit here and there, and then I will be sealing up my shaker with my tape runner. And so, do you make a lot of shaker cards? Because I don't make as much as I should, so I'm hoping I can make a little bit more. Especially because summer break is coming, so I'll have a little bit more time, which I'm excited about. I homeschool, so my kids and I are super excited for summer break. So here I am, just gluing or sealing my pack here. And it's really fun, and I love playing with it. And next I will be adding my scalloped circle and my Quokka, and I am going to be adding a sentiment as well from the farmhouse sentiments here, and coordinating die set. I did stamp it in black ink once and then cut it out 3 more times with white cardstock, and I will be layering that. So I like the depth of my sentiments, and I love coordinating sentiment dies. So again, having more fun shaking my shaker here. And so going to glue that together, and I did use some more cat scrappiness tools there, like my bone folders, so I will put that in the product supply bar as well for you to click, as well as my affiliate links are there, which I appreciate your support. And almost done with this card. So I appreciate you joining me today. I hope you had fun, and I hope it inspired you to make a shaker card. And I'm going to be laying that there and adding my sentiment. So thank you for joining me today, and I will be sharing a close-up. Here we go. So have a wonderful day.